Pour a glass of wine. Let's make chicken piccata meatballs. First, we have our ground chicken, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, and herbs. Lightly beat an egg and add in. Mix together until combined and roll them into a golf-sized ball. Slide into the oven preheated at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. Now, we're going to make the lemon butter sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of butter, then some garlic, 1/3 cup of lemon juice, half of chicken stock or white wine. Mine is too good to cook off. I'm drinking it. Remove saucepan from heat. Whisk in 3 to 4 more tablespoons of butter until the sauce emulsifies. Kick the flavor up by adding preserved lemons. Brown the meatballs a little more by broiling for 4 to 6 minutes. Keep a close eye, then toss them into the sauce. Make your pasta according to directions. Serve with arugula. Add another handful for health. Balance it with a sprinkle of cheese. Serve paired with the Premier Cru Poulet Foussé.